This tourism website landing page is a comprehensive and visually rich interface designed to showcase travel packages using the modern glass morphism aesthetic with responsive and animated elements, constructed using HTML, CSS, and a bit of JavaScript to create a user-friendly experience that promotes engagement and interactivity. The layout begins with a standard HTML5 document structure, doctype HTML, HTML, head, body, and features a full-page section that serves as the hero area containing a looping, muted video element, water.mp4, as a dynamic background, which immediately immerses visitors into a travel-themed environment. Over this, a div with the class glass card is layered, which serves as the welcome banner featuring the heading Travelport and a motivational message. This glass card is styled using CSS rules targeting .glasscard. The connection between HTML and CSS occurs through the class attribute in HTML and the selector in CSS, e.g., .glasscard. Allowing specific visual styles such as translucent backgrounds, RAWBA, blur effects, backdrop filter, borders, shadows, and rounded corners to be applied directly to the HTML element. The CSS4.glasscard creates the frosted glass effect typical of glass morphism using RAWBA background color, backdrop filter, blur, 5px, and box shadow to simulate depth. Beneath the hero section lies another div class equals content, which hosts a header and nav menu implemented semantically using role equals banner and structured with ul class equals menu for accessibility and clarity. The navigation bar uses labels and checkboxes to create a toggle menu, a common responsive design pattern for mobile views, with drop-down toggling styled via external CSS files, navbar.css, slider.css, which complement the inline styles. This navigation allows users to move between key areas like home, tour plan, cost, contact, and about. Below the main content, a second section introduces travel packages using a flex container div class equals card container, which holds three visually distinctive glass-style cards, div class equals glass card package card 1, and similarly card 2, card 3. Each of these HTML elements corresponds directly to CSS class selectors such as .glasscard package, .card1, .card2, etc., that define their structure and appearance, including background images, background, URL, blur overlays, padding, and hover effects using transitions and transforms to animate on mouse interaction. The card elements also include a button element that triggers a JavaScript function book now, destination, which displays an alert confirming the booking, giving a functional example of how interactivity is tied to the page's logic. These buttons enhance the user experience by simulating real booking interactions. The HTML form elements, although somewhat misused here by wrapping non-form elements, point to actions like /main and /login, suggesting future server-side processing or routing for user data submission or login redirection. In the Contact section, a header with an H2 heading introduces the Contact Us section, where several input type equals submit elements styled as buttons are intended to link to social media platforms. However, perf is incorrectly used instead of ref, and the structure would be more appropriate using anchor tags A to direct users to external URLs. This highlights an area where understanding the correct HTML syntax is crucial. The CSS class.inputSec and its related styles control layout and interactivity for this section, using Flexbox for alignment and hover effects using box shadow to create glowing borders when hovered. The embedded CSS block in the head of the document imports the Poppins font from Google Fonts and uses it globally via the asterisk. Universal Selector. This demonstrates how CSS class selectors, e.g., .card1, can be assigned to HTML elements via the class attribute to modularly define and reuse styling rules, allowing designers to manage appearance separately from structure. CSS transitions, e.g., transition, transform 0.3 SEs, and transforms, e.g., transform, translate Y, 20%, provide subtle animations and movement effects that enhance the interface. The media query at the bottom of the CSS ensures responsive behavior by adjusting the layout. Card container switches to column layout on devices with a max width of 768px, making the site accessible and visually consistent on smaller screens like tablets and smartphones. The JavaScript functions, menu toggle, and book now, enhance interactivity. Menu toggle toggles menu visibility using the classlist.toggle method to activate CSS changes dynamically, though it's not currently used in the HTML, and book now is triggered by clicking the booking buttons, providing feedback through an alert message. Together, the interplay between HTML structure, with its class attributes, CSS styling rules, linked to those class names, and JavaScript functionality, connected through event listeners like onClick, creates a cohesive, dynamic, and visually engaging tourism landing page. The entire page's purpose is to capture visitor interest immediately through immersive design, provide clear navigation, present enticing travel options with brief but vivid descriptions, and enable basic interactions such as simulated booking and social media connection, thereby fulfilling the core needs of a tourism business's digital front, attracting users, informing them, and leading them toward action through a well-structured and visually persuasive interface.